So what's hopefully next for me is to combine the clinical research also with clinical work. As a young doctor, I hope to take the lessons I learned within PREMSTEM to the clinical field and really help patients.
In 2025, we will start a clinical trial here in UMC Utrecht for term babies with brain injury.
And preterm babies may be next. Every baby deserves the best start.
And I personally think that the next step is to move to a cell-free therapy, which poses less safety concern. And cell-free therapy is based on selective molecules secreted by the cells or extracellular vesicles released into the extracellular space, which contains several bioactive molecules and can recapitulate the protective and therapeutic action of mesenchymal stem cells. So extracellular vesicles are a relatively young research area in neuroscience, and there are still some issue about standardization of extracellular vesicle preparation, but I think that the time is right to move to a cell-free therapy.
So our future project is to continue to disseminate this new technology, ultrasound imaging of brain activity, and ultrasound angiography down to microscopic scale. So we work with Iconis company. It's a spin-off company coming from our lab, and we try to expand our imaging modality from preclinical models for research, for fundamental research, up to the clinical market, and especially imaging in human neonates, and also try to work with adult humans that have small vessel disease, and we would like to be able to help these patients, because today there is no way to see the very small vessels in the brain of humans, and we think we have a way now with ultrasound to have access to these very, very tiny small vessels and the disease that are really affecting these small vessels.
At GFCNI we have the HOPE study, which is an international study developed and executed by GFCNI, and it aims to look at the experiences and potential burden of parents with hospitalized infants. The topics of the survey are related to experiences in the hospital, discharge and follow-up, as well as political and societal frameworks around these topics, and it's a study in collaboration with international organizations that we're very proud of.
So at RMIT Australia, I'm part of a vibrant research group. We're collectively focused on improving outcomes for babies. The research that I'm most passionate about right now, though, is developing a biomaterial solution for treating neonatal stroke. So a hydrogel that we can inject into the brain to enable the brain to repair itself after these devastating injuries.